Here's a pre-calculus question about arcsine and arctangent. Complete each coordinate for this function, f of x equals arcsine of x. Remember, arcsine and arctangent both have the same range. They go from pi over 2 to negative pi over 2. They're in the first and fourth quadrants. So I need some number b, or b has to be something that is the sine of pi over 3. Well, let's take a look at the handy unit circle. Unit circle, the sine of pi over 3 is square root of 3 over 2. So b equals square root of 3 over 2, because the arcsine of square root of 3 over 2 is pi over 3, and I will prove it in Desmos. Let's do arcsine of square root of 3 divided by 2, and there's 1.047. And if 1.047, pi over 3, I'll prove it, is 1.047. So that is correct. Square root of 3 over 2. That's arcsine. Now this one, I want some angle such that the sine is negative 1/2. Let's check the unit circle again. Negative 1/2 is 11 pi over 6. But remember, sine is only from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So 2 pi minus 11 pi over 6. 2 pi is 12 pi over 6. That's pi over 6. But it's below the x-axis, so it's the angle from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 is negative pi over 6. It's negative 30 degrees. So A equals negative pi over 6. And I will prove it again by using Desmos. I want the arcsine of, and I will put that angle in, negative pi over 6, and it equals that. And if I do, how do I have to convert this? Arcsine of negative 1/2, not negative pi over 6. And let me do pi over 6, and it's negative, there it is, 0.523, but it would be negative. So that is correct. Arcsine of negative 1/2 is negative 0.52, which is negative pi over 6. So A is negative pi over 6. And then I've got this one. Now, this is arctangent. So B pi over 3. I want a tangent. The tangent of pi over 3 has to equal b, so the arctangent of b equals pi over 3. Let me check the unit circle. Pi over 3, the arctangent would be sine, which is square root of 3 over 2 over cosine, which is 1/2. So square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which is times 2 over 1, equals square root of 3. So b is square root of 3. The arctangent of square root of 3 is pi over 3, and I will prove it. Arctan of, what is it again? Square root of 3. And I will do pi over 3. That's 1.047. So the arctan of square root of 3 is pi over 3. And that's what this, remember, tangent or sine or cosine goes from an angle to a ratio. That's sine, cosine, tangent. The inverse functions, arcsine, the arcs go from a ratio to an angle. Well, square root of 3 is a ratio, square root of 3 over 1. Now this one is negative 1/2. If you know the unit circle, there is no standard angle that you're going to see on the unit circle that has a tangent of negative 1/2. Where's my unit circle? The tangent of 11 pi over 6, which would be negative pi over 3, would be negative 1/2 divided by square root of 3 over 2, which would be negative 1 over square root of 3, which would be negative square root of 3 over 3. 7 pi over 4 would be negative 45 degrees, negative pi over 4, which would be negative 1, not negative 1/2. And 5 pi over 3 would be negative square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, which would be negative square root of 3. So there is no standard angle, just an angle you'll find on the unit circle that has a tangent of negative 1/2. So I'll just go to my calculator, and I want the arctan of negative 1/2. And that is, now does this, I don't know, does this have to be done without a calculator? Well, let me think about that in a second. Arctan of negative 1/2 is negative 0.4634 radians. If I divide that by pi, I can see it's negative 0.1476 approximately. A equals approximately negative 1.476 pi radians, or negative 1.476 pi. So that would be the answer. I don't know if you can do that without a calculator, to tell you the truth. I'm going to find out after this video making is done. But anyway, there's your answers. On top, B is square root of 3/2, A is negative pi/6. On the bottom for arctangent, B is square root of 3, and A is approximately negative 1.476 pi radians.